Hello, Ryan.
I know you won't be able to step on the rock.
What's this place called again?
Pistyll Rhaeadr.
You say Pistyll?
Pistyll Rhaeadr
Pistyll.
Waterfall. Pistyll.
Pistyll.
Yeah.
Pistyll Rhaeadr Waterfall. That's where we are. I'm gonna have a look. Well, I've got a little man here. And then, you coming for a walk?
Ryan, come here.
I'm looking forward to going up to that waterfall.
We're going to be very sticky up there because there's a lot of water. So you won't be able to, you're not allowed to go on the rock when there's rain, not about. With all that rain we had yesterday, you're not allowed to go on it because it's so slippy and might grease it. Then the current.
Hello everyone, I'm at different scenery. I'm out at Pistyll Rhaeadr Waterfall. Damn, that is bloody beautiful. Looking on the info on this, it's actually, I think it's deeper than Niagara Falls, so just a bit deep. And in North Wales, that's where I am. Give us a second, I'll just turn the camera around, show you the view I'm at now. And in a bit I'm going to be going up much closer. Hang on. Right. Just about to see the water there. Follow it. Shame the camera can't pick it as well as what my eyes can see. Oh well. Just about to see a platform there. And just about to see the waterfall there. And the random bit of video that you just saw before this was me and my little brother, and you could hear my mum talking. Speaking of my little brother, here he comes. Come on, Ryan! He's a-coming. Just before we got here, very close, there was a little rock face, and it was a big massive hill, and even though it looked nice, the shape it had formed in this one bit, to me it looked like a vagina. That will have a very weird imagination. Ryan, say hello!
Hello!
Have you seen this, Ryan? Big face. You seen that, Ryan? Look, big face. I know, it's a face.
Yes, face.
Face, yeah.
Yeah, no face.
I'm just videoing anything here. It's a nice little hut though. House kind of thing. Looks like it's a little cafe. Looking forward to going there later.
Wow, it's
Now, this is my first time coming here. Ryan's already been here before with my mum and stepdad, and I think my sister, unless she was at her respite, I can't remember. Like today, she's at respite. There you go, Ryan.
Look, there he is.
I know.
Brother.
We're going to have a closer look in a bit, mate. It should be anyway. I know I will, at least. Alright. Not really much else to see. I'm just going around in circles here. Right. I'll stop the video here, and I'll start again when I'm closer to the waterfall. In a bit. It's actually a really nice little building, that. You could just live in that.
We've just bed and breakfast.
Look, waterfall.
I think someone's excited.
This is really careful to put there because of really bad heavy rain.
God, a lot of gnats. Bloody hell. Oh, that is bloody nice. Ho, ho, ho. You should look at this. Nice. Gnats in my face, but it's nice though. Not the gnats, the waterfall.
Fishes, mate, like last time.
Yeah, I can see one.
See the fishes?
Shame the camera won't pick it up, but
Little fishes.
Yes, yes.
go closer. Steep steps. Oh, there we go.
You can see it.
Well, they've locked it.
To get there, but it's been raining. Made all these slippery floors that gully down there, red light is down.
That is nice. Whether you can hear me, I don't know, because the water's that loud, but it sounds beautiful. Just going to take a few photos. Back in a minute. I'm building a place on here. I can't hear you. Hang on. Right. One rock. Back in a moment, I'm going to take a photo and hopefully I don't fall over. Just a little close. Can't tell. on here. I'm not sure if I can get any closer. Hang on a minute. See if I can show you how clear the water is. I thought that gate was locked, but it weren't. You're right about my ass. Up. Can't get enough of that, can you? I know I can't. Look how clear that is. Cold water too, but it's nice. Let's try and get a little closer. That was close. Yeah, we can get closer. We'll switch the camera around again. Right. That's where I was just sat. Right, let's try. Probably people might look at me and think you're a mad fool, but oh well. Might as well make the most of it. It's not like I can get the bus here. As I thought, and I said it to Rebecca yesterday. Okay, I'm going down there. You only live once. YOLO. Fuck it. Whoa. I'd love to go way to the top there. But apparently we've had that much rain, I won't be able to, which is a little annoying. God, look at that. How deep is it? I'm actually in the water. How far can I actually go before it gets too deep? Oh, not that far, nearly. Any further? Yeah. Back in a minute, this is definitely worth a picture. Back in a mo. Now, see, let me show you how far I am. I'll show you my feet. Whether you can see my feet, I've no idea. But yeah. My feet are wet. I'll show you why. I decided to step out a bit further about there. How clear that is. I know a lot of you might think, why do I keep showing this view, but it's something too beautiful to just quickly look at, you know. It's deeper than the Niagara Falls, like I said earlier. It's beautiful. I can't get over it. Just I can't stop saying it. Ugh, God. No, I don't think I can get any further. No. Oh well. You can see my footprints. Just about. Marmy, Ian and Ryan down there. You can just about see the hut. Right, let's head back down to the other bit. I don't want to leave. Maybe if I didn't. Hang on a minute, what's up here? Fuck it. Pathway. Can't really see much here. Still nice though, but I've got a goal in life now, one of many. One day to go to the very top of there. Since that gate isn't locked, let's have a look over the other side quickly. Ryan! Ryan! I will in a minute! Little brother's ordering me to hurry up. I best do as he commands. Otherwise I'm in trouble. You don't want to be told off by the little brother. This is definitely a start of videos I want to do, showing you all the places I go to, whether it's on my own or whatever. So I'm a very adventurous person. I love exploring things. So a quick look over there, why not? Oh, more pathway. I bet that way, I wonder if, I bet that's a way of getting to the top of the thing. Like I say, what was I going to say? Fuck you know. Hey up, you shouting again, my little brother? What are you shouting at? You little bugger. Now, if you really use your imagination, what do you think that looks like the rock from The Lion King? Or however it goes. Oh, this is a place I'd definitely advise anyone to come and visit. You can't really see. Sorry, I know it looks like I'm posing for the camera, but I'm not. I'm just trying to get over it. Hurry up. Look who's coming. There's my mom going down. Nice. Let's get one last shot of that beautiful place. Big step. Inside the little hut thing. Quite nice, isn't it? Coke. Coke. Bloody hell. That was one hell of a frost over. Damn. Slate heights. Mum, they got no beer. They got no beer. Oh, that cake looks really nice.
Trying to think to get Ryan. Might get a bit long straight away.
I'll have a look in a minute. It's nice. It's really nice in there.
It is, isn't it?
I'll look over here. I wonder where you've seen that before. Prayer lodge.
You have to take your shoes off to go in there. There's a prayer lodge for you to tray and stuff. And you got the mince on there.
Looks quite nice in there. Butter just sitting happy. Oh. Let's at least just peek through the door, I won't go in. It's not in it. I might be wrong, but it looks like they've got a bit for all different religions in there. That's quite nice, actually. And there's something here. Ooh. Quite nice. Imagine if it was an actual little house for you to live in. That would be so nice. To live in there right next to all this. Now that is something I will pay money for. I think I'd sleep beautifully every night for the rest of my life if I lived here listening to this water flowing. Got another bit there. I'm gonna have my hot chocolate.
Yeah, quickly. He's just tried to get the cream.
You little monkey.
Mikey could just give him a bit and he's gone.
Did you try and nick the cream, you little monkey?
Oh.
Being
Give him a
interrogated.
pose.
Well. We have a peacock on top of the toilet. And look at my bag. And we have a peacock on top of the roof. Oh, hey, I got it on camera, awesome. Now be nice, don't you dare come running after me. Oh. Are you gonna fly up there? Big bird anyway, Ian. I'm just waiting to see if he's gonna jump up there.
Yeah, the butterfly, it's a peacock.
If it was it's the biggest butterfly I've ever seen.
Yeah. So about 4 minutes then, Tommy's going to the toilet.
Well, I don't think I've ever been that close to one. He's eating. Beer time. I'm happy now.